guys, I'm Shantae from NaturalVeganMama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Well, today I have a delicious black eyed pea soup for you. This soup is so comforting and it's definitely Caribbean styled. So let's get started and let's keep it easy. So first you'll want to start by soaking 2 cups of your black eyed peas overnight. Doing this will make sure they cook faster, and also some people believe that it takes away some of the contents that cause people to be a little gassy. So definitely want to do this step, don't skip it, and you'll have a better turnout. After rinsing, add your black eyed peas to a large pot. Then you'll need about 3 cups of kale. I like to use fresh kale, but I also like to get fresh kale and store it in the freezer. It stores really well in the freezer, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm also going to be adding about 3 to 4 pieces of yuca cassava, 1 cup of string beans, and then here I have chopped 1 sweet potato, 2 chopped carrots, and 1 chopped onion. Now here is one of my favorite parts. I'm adding 1 can of coconut milk. This is going to give it some delicious creaminess, add a little touch of coconut flavor, not too much. If you want a stronger coconut flavor, I suggest you use coconut cream. It comes in a block. Just shave off about a 1/4 inch and you'll have enough of that coconut taste in there. Now I just snuck in a little bit of spice. My favorite thing to use is habanero pepper, or as we call it in the Caribbean, scotch bonnet. They did not have scotch bonnet this time, so I did opt for a jalapeno pepper. This will give it a little bit of spice, not too much, and I won't chop it up, I'll just add it in there to let the flavors merge through it. Now for the spice. Okay, I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of thyme, about 1 teaspoon of allspice, about a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, about 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then I'm going to add enough water to cover it. This is super important. You don't want too much water, but you definitely want to have enough water to cover everything so that everything cooks nicely. And my secret ingredient is Better Than Bouillon. It's a vegan alternative to the traditional bouillon cube. That bouillon cube, the traditional one, it contains animal fat, so you definitely don't want to use that. So go ahead and stir everything together, bring it to a nice boil, and then you'll reduce that to a low simmer and cover for 45 minutes. Oh my gosh, doesn't this look so good? The black eyed peas have cooked nicely, the cassava has cooked all the way through, carrots and sweet potato are tender yet firm. Yes, this is a winner. I am so ready to eat this. I will definitely leave the full recipe in the description box below if you want the full recipe. I am going to go enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next video.